we're pouring in the sugars, also known as sucrose, which is C12, H22, and O11. Its hygroscopic nature allows it to retain moisture, and it results in more tender and long-lasting baked goods.
We are also putting in butter, which is C4H8O2, also called butyric acid. Its melting point is crucial for its spreadability, which is a physical property, and its fatty acid content causes it to be a solid at room temperature, which makes it a key component for texture and stability in the baked goods. So we just mixed that, and that was a physical change, and now we are adding a cup of peanut butter.
This is Kiki. She's our helper. She really likes peanut butter.
Yeah.
Here's our mixture.
Our beautiful mixture at this point. And now we are going to add vanilla. Vanilla is also called vanilla panifolia. It is C8H8O3. Vanilla is heat stable, so it does not break down in high temps, causing it to have a strong flavor even after it is baked. And we are going to add a teaspoon of that. There we go.
Now we're adding an egg. The egg will produce a Maillard reaction with the sugar when baked, which means that the egg proteins unravel and become tangled, creating a solid mass with the sugar. Now we're adding our flour and baking powder mixture that we sifted beforehand. Flour, also known as triticum asterum, which is C6H10O5. It's an important property for it is its particle size, which influences its liquid absorption, which that's a physical, what do you call that? Reaction. Yep. And then the high protein content in the gluten is influences it chemically because it's like the texture.
Yep. And then the baking powder in it reacts with the liquid that we just mixed it with, the peanut butter and the butter and the vanilla, and it causes a CO2 reaction, which is a chemical reaction. So it causes CO2 and dry acid, and that causes the baking to rise.
I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. Well, you are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception. You are the only exception.
Baking intensifies the baking powder and liquid reaction, causing more CO2 to release, and for the cookies to rise more.